you the oil pump, all the timing stuff, seals, cam seal, crank seal, oil pan seal, valve cover seal, every single seal that you could pretty much touch from the outside, I bought for this car. Because the biggest issue I have really with like used engines, people just slap them on and call it a day, but then when something goes bad or something leaks, then they'll have to work extra hard to replace those seals because they didn't freaking address it when it was out of the freaking car. Like, that's kind of like the dumbest thing to do. So when it's out of the car and you can address it easier, do it. Like doing a timing belt right here when it's on this freaking trolley, so easy, dude. It's just right here. But when it's in the car, it's a total pain in the ass. So yeah, don't half-ass your maintenance, okay? I mean, my engine right here, the LS, 200,000 miles. I redline the hell out of this thing every single time I drive it. Used to be our daily. We're the original owners, and guess what? No oil leaks. See any oil leaks anywhere? No oil leaks. We address the issue before they happen. So if I see something that looks like it's about to fail, I replace it. And dude, they just run forever. So yeah, same thing with the B18C right here. Every seal, everything that I need to replace, I'm going to. And if it doesn't look like it's gonna fail, I'm gonna replace it anyways because it's old. All right, this is a 97 spec, so slightly different than the 98 and up Type R spec. And then this one comes with a 4.4, I think. Yeah, it's not a 4.7, it's a 4.4 transmission. Then here's the VTEC solenoid, which I actually got all the gaskets and stuff for this, so I can, you know, freshen it up a little bit. And all the seals that go on here, I'm actually getting a new clutch from Action Clutch that's slightly different than the LS one that I have. And yeah, man, just a lot of stuff that I need to replace to make this bulletproof. I mean, I even got a new freaking oil dipstick right here. This is brand new from Honda. You can still buy it. And then I even bought the new covers, which is not on here yet, to cover this whole thing right here. So yeah, man, just make sure you take care of maintenance first. But I gotta say, you don't necessarily have to swap to a B18C Integra Type R engine to have fun with these cars. You know, with the LS, plenty of fun, dude, plenty. With the Type R, it's gonna be a freaking beast, and I can't wait to try it out.